Andy Eigenman, abay ginulat ang lahat sa kanyang naging desisyon at nang ito po ay i-post sa kanyang social media account. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Of course, bago tayo magpatuloy sa ating updates for today's video, nais ko po munang pasalamatan kayo for always watching and trusting this channel. Thank you so much sa inyo pong palagi ang panonood at pagsubaybay sa ating mga updates. Thank you so much. Bago tayo magpatuloy, let's watch this video clip.
Well, sorry ka na. Hirap eh.
So, hamon ang dagom na isa. Pagbalik
Ano
na
po siya?
binali niya na po. Another dagom na po.
Ito po yung half. Sarap.
Sa likod man, basi kung
Diba?
okay na to.
Good as new.
Tuyudot gamay.
Pwede na yun, no?
Hindi na, salamat na. Nagamit ko na ako jacket.
Parang di ka pa, satisfied.
Okay, salamat gani. PCR ka ito pagbalik.
Aga.
Oh. Okay kaya pa nang dito tanihayan.
Ayan, tita.
Alam mo kung anong kaparehan nito ng pagkatahiman?
Ano?
Magabante ka dyan, litson gani.
Ang video clip na inyo pong napanood ay ilan lamang sa mga video na ipinost ni Mr. Pilmar Alipayo sa kanyang Facebook page na may 1 million followers, kung saan ipinapakita nito kung gaano kasimple at kapayak ang kanilang pamumuhay sa Siargao. Pinakita po sa video na yon kung paano po tinahi nitong si Miss Andy Eigenman yung jacket ni Mr. Pilmar Alipayo, diba? Kung tutuusin is able naman po sila to buy that. Pero pagkatapos nga ng mga issue at pagkatapos ng ilang mga talaga namang kaguluhan or scandal na nangyari, still nag-umpisa po ito sa pagpapatato nitong kanyang best friend na si Miss Pernilla Zo. Wala na po tayong anything na nabalitaan with regards dun sa best friend nga po nitong si Mr. Pilmar Alipayo, pero ginulat naman ang lahat, no, ni Miss Andy Eigenman ang lahat nang ipakita niya ito sa kanyang IG, kung saan ang celebrity couple na si Andy Eigenman and Pilmar Alipayo visited a tattoo studio together to get ink. Weeks since both were involved in a viral couple tattoo issue that Pilmar got with friend. Earlier this month, Andy posted on Instagram cryptic message indicating some cheating may have been involved, as she alluded to a friend getting a love couple tattoo with another person, life partner, without consultation. The actress then clarified that Pilmar did not cheat on her but did indeed get a matching tutu for tattoo with Swedish photographer athlete Pernilla Zo, a long-time resident of Siargao where the couple also lives. The couple have since patched things up, Pilmar even buying Andy's flower on Valentine's Day, and just recently visited a tattoo shop. Island Tattoo Piercing Studio in Siargao posted a video on Instagram of Andy and Pilmar getting tattoo and got palm branch design, while Pilmar did not show what tattoo he got. After a few days ago, Pilmar was the same establishment to get tattoo of his dogs on his right arms, which were above the tutu for tattoo he got with Pernilla. So, dahil dito is pinakita po ni Mr. Pilmar Alipayo na pina-cover up niya na po yung tattoo na 224. Tapos si Miss Andy Eigenman ay talagang sinuportahan niya itong trip nitong si Mr. Pilmar Alipayo. So pinapakita lang dito ni Miss Andy Eigenman that she already chose her family over dun po sa mga issue na talagang kinasasangkutan ng kanyang husband or yung kanyang couple na si Mr. Pilmar Alipayo. So, and another tattoo session with the power couple Andy and Pilmar, we couldn't be more stoked to have them back together with Lilo and Kowa. So, talagang parang sa lahat po ng mga pwedeng choice or pwedeng piliin ni Miss Andy, mas pinili talaga niya yung peaceful life with Pilmar Alipayo kasama ng kanyang dalawang anak na si Lilo at si Kowa. At ngayon naman, dahil dyan may mga nag-comment, no, sabi ni Miss Tessie, uwi ka na ng Maynila, Andy, mas maigi pa at magandang buhay mo doon, iwan mo na ang Siargao, wala kang mahihita dito. Dito ang manloloko hanggang pagtanda, manloloko pa din. Yan. Sabi ni Miss Asuncion, hindi kanya tunay na mahal pag nagpakasalahatian mo pa siya ng pinamana ng mami mo. Ibigay mo na lang sa 3 anak mo, kailangan nila. And sabi ni Miss Merlin, Carlos, nako Andy, wag mo pakakasalan yan. Shokoy na yan. Please, makinig ka at wag mong gamitin ang puso, utakan please. Hindi na babagay sa'yo ang layo niya. Marami nagmamahal sa'yo, Andy. Sabi naman ni Biandina, dapat may restriction. Ayun. So, kasi parang ang gusto ng mga netizen, dahil nga sa nangyari na yun, dapat meron ding sanction na ibibigay si Andy dun sa kanyang soon to be husband, diba? And sabi ni Miss Real Cheruba, what keeps you, Andy, from letting go of the wrong person are your children. If your mother did not approve of him from the very starts, that say it all, moms know best. And Miss Virgilina, nagmukhang losyang na si Andy sa pagmamahal kay Pilmar. Ayan. So, ito yung kanilang mga komento dito po sa mga pangyayari to. Pero, syempre, at the end of the day, it's Andy's decision eh. Kung nakikita natin, diba, nakita naman natin na very peaceful siya at masaya siya sa naging buhay niya sa Siargao. Yung pagpili niya para sa kanyang pamilya. And, I know na may maganda rin naman sigurong plano itong si Pilmar para sa kanya. Sabi ni Miss Maria Rios, too soon you celebrate and so easy to win her back. He should have armed if he is much to blame as Pernilla does. Kung involved pa ang social media sa mga problems nila, sana tinago na lang nila yan. She could have done many ways for the sake of her family. Busy, nothing good come, because nothing good come out of this if there's physical involved nor cheating, not healthy for kids. If you care for their bring first, but more likely for your own game. I used to be on her team, but to rethink that 2 times now, if you would like to remain a peaceful life. So, ganito katindi yung kanilang mga comments, no? Dagdag pa niya, sabi niya, continue your operational as usual but not together with the guy who you're still in breadwinner for the family. In the US where I'm from, there not much option, not run for the problem, but instead learn to be strong and not get run over and over. Ika nga, he's done this many times. Hindi na uso ang martyr. I am married for 35 years. Since 21 years of age, now know my self-worth. Ayan. So parang sinasabi niya na ginigising niya si Miss Andy Eigenman na dapat daw alam ni Miss Andy Eigenman yung worth niya bilang isang babae. Kasi 'di ba parang na-experience niya na rin. Well, in fact, 'di ba, marami talagang mga hindi ganun ka approve dun sa naging decision nga ni Miss Andy. Sabi ni Miss Edna, sorry pero mga bashers advice such like leaving her husband wouldn't help them. Mistake couldn't happen but it doesn't mean na ugali na ng asawa niya. Pilmar should be understand and learn that Miss Andy prepared to stay with her family and have peaceful life away to all toxic social media. Hayaan nyo lang silang mabuhay ng tahimik. Kuya Pilmar, alagaan mo ang asawa mo. You couldn't find such a good woman like her. Ayan. Salamat, Ma'am Chi Edna. And that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone.